Hi, you're welcome to today's class. Today we'll be treating multiplication of number bases. They say we should simplify the following. Number one question is given in base 5. Therefore, we'll be solving it in base 5. Solutions. We have number one, we have 403 in base 5 times 14 in base 5. Now we multiply. Remember how we do it because we are solving in base 5. Therefore, whatever number we are going to write here will fall in between 0 to 4. It's only 0 to 4 are permitted to be written under base 5. From 5 and above cannot be written under base 5. Now, 4 times 3 here will give us 12. 12 is above 5. What are we going to do? We are going to divide. 5 here divide 12 here will give us 2. Remainder 2. This your remainder is what you are going to write first. You write your remainder 2. Carry the 2, the whole number 2 you got. Now 4 times 0 here will give us 0. Plus these 2 here will give us 2. You write your 2. 4 times 4 here will give us 16. Because we are solving in base 5, we can't write 16. We have to divide. 5 divided 16 here will give us 3. Remainder 1. You write your remainder 1 here. Because there's no other number here to multiply. You bring down your 3. You write your 3. Here, the second one, we have 1. 1 times 3 here will give us 3. You write your 3. 1 times 0 will give us 0. 1 times 4 will give us 4. You write your 4. Now you add. You add. There's no number here. Since there's no number here, you bring down 2. 2 plus this 3 here will give us 5. We are solving in base 5. Therefore, 5 divided itself will give us 1. Remainder 0. Then your remainder 0, you write it. Carry the 1. Add the 1 to the next number here. Which is what? 1 plus 1, 2. Plus this 0, 2. 3 plus 4 here will give us 7. 5 divided 7 here will give us 1. Remainder 2. The remainder here is 2. You write your 2. Carry the 1. There's no other number here to add. Therefore, that 1, you bring it down. We have our what? 12202 in base 5. For question number 1. This is the product in base 5. Now, moving further to question number 2. Question number 2 is given in base 12. We have question number 2. We have our 48 in base 12 times 15 in base 12. Here we are solving in base 12. Therefore, from 0 to 11 are permitted to be written under base 12. But from 12 and above cannot be written under base 12. 5 times 8 here will give us 40. We can't write 40 here because 40 is above 12. What are we going to do? We're going to divide this 40 by 12. 12 divide itself 1. 12 divide 40 here will give us 3. Remainder 4. The remainder here is always what you are going to be writing. You write your remainder. Remainder 4. Carry your 3. 5 times 4 here will give us 20. Plus this 3 here will give us 23. 12 go into 23. So we go once. 1. Remainder 11. Your remainder here is 11. You write that remainder, which is 11. Carry 1. 1 times 8 here will give us 8. Plus this one here is 9. You write your 9. 1 times 4 here will give us 4. You write your 4. You add. Here you bring down your 4. 1 plus 9 here will give us 10. You write 0. Carry 1. Add the 1 to this one here. We have 2. 2 plus 4 here will give us 6. Therefore, we have 604 in base 12. This is our final answer for question number 2. Now moving over to our final question here, which is question number 3. Is in base 2. Now question number 3 here, we have 1011 raised to power 2 means 1011 times itself, which is 1011 times 1011, all in base 2. 1 times 1 here will give us 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. The second one, 1 times 1 here will give us 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. The third one is 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times itself, 0. 0 times 1, 0. Now, the first number here is 1. 1 times 1 here will give us 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1 here, 1. Here we add. Have your 0 here. Now we add, you write your addition sign. You bring down your 1 here. Remember, we are solving in base 2. Therefore, from 2 and above cannot be written under base 2. Here we have 1 plus 1 here is 2. 2 divide itself will give us what? 1. Remainder 0. This your remainder 0 is what you are going to write. Write down your remainder 0. Carry 1. The one you carry, add it to this 0 here. You have 1. Plus this 1, 2. Plus this 0, 2. You still write your what? 0. Carry what? 1. The one you carry, add it to this one here. You have your 2. 2 plus 0 here. 2 plus 0 here. 2. Plus 1 here. 3. 3 in base 2 will give us, go into 3 will give us 1. Remainder 1. Now your remainder 1, you write it here. Carry this one, the whole number 1 here. Add it to this 1 here. We have 2. Plus 0, 2. Plus 1, 3. You still write the remainder 1. Carry the whole number, which is this one here. Add it to this 0. We have what? 1 plus 0, 1. Plus this 0, 1. You bring down your 1. This is our final answer for question number 3 under base 2. This is where we are going to stop today for multiplication of numbers, number basis. Thank you for being with us today. See you again next time. Thank you.